Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update your age on Steam in under 5 minutes. If you have been blocked by age-restricted warnings while browsing games, this guide will help you bypass those hurdles quickly. Let's get started. First, launch the Steam application. If it isn't on your computer or phone yet, download it from the official site. Once the app is open, click the Login button located in the upper right corner. On the login screen, provide your account name and password. If you can't remember your credentials, use the Forgot Password link for recovery. After entering your details, hit Sign In to access your account and reach the main dashboard. Take a quick look at your homepage to ensure everything is loaded correctly. Next, move to the search field at the top of the screen. Type in the title of the game you want to view, especially if it previously triggered an age warning, and press Enter. From the search results, select the specific game to open its store page, where you can see reviews and media. If the title is restricted, a prompt will appear asking for your date of birth. This is a standard verification step for Steam's compliance. Use the drop-down menus to pick your birth month, day, and most importantly, the year. To access the content, adjust the year so it shows you are at least 18 years old. While being accurate is important for purchases and community features, this method works well for viewing restricted listings. You should now be able to see the game details without any blocks. To finish up, remember to log out if you are on a shared computer to protect your account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage Steam's age filters. Please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Enjoy your gaming.